Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss about diffusion hypoxia. Diffusion hypoxia is a transient decrease in alveolar oxygen concentration that occurs immediately after discontinuation of nitrous oxide anesthesia due to the rapid diffusion of nitrous oxide from blood into alveoli, diluting the alveolar oxygen and carbon dioxide. This is also called Fink phenomenon. What are the physiology and mechanism of diffusion hypoxia? We know that nitrous oxide has low blood gas solubility. As a result, during recovery, large amount of nitrous oxide rapidly diffuse from blood to alveoli. Ultimately, this rapid influx causes alveolar oxygen concentration, decrease alveolar oxygen concentration, decrease alveolar carbon dioxide concentration, reduced respiratory drive, and temporary arterial hypoxemia. This is the pathophysiology of diffusion hypoxia. If we stop the nitrous oxide suddenly after operation, then rapid diffusion of nitrous oxide from blood to alveoli, which causes dilution of the alveolar oxygen and carbon dioxide. As a result, partial pressure of oxygen in the alveoli is reduced, which causes partial pressure of arterial oxygen decrease, and that ultimately cause transient hypoxemia. This is the pathophysiology of diffusion hypoxia. Who are at risk, or what are the risk factor of diffusion hypoxia? High concentration of nitrous oxide. If we use the high concentration of nitrous oxide during anesthesia, more risk or chance to diffusion hypoxia. Or prolonged anesthesia, breathing room air immediately after stopping nitrous oxide, obese patient, COPD patient, elderly patient, and patient with impaired respiratory reserve. What are the clinical features of diffusion hypoxia? Decrease SpO2, restlessness, tachycardia, cyanosis, delayed recovery, headache, and mild respiratory distress. How can we prevent the diffusion hypoxia? Administration of 100% oxygen for 3 to 5 minutes after discontinuation of nitrous oxide after operation. In other measures, maintain adequate ventilation, monitor pulse oximetry, avoid abrupt discontinuation in high risk patient, and ensure airway patency. What are the management of diffusion hypoxia? Give 100% oxygen immediately after discontinuation of the nitrous oxide. Assist ventilation if necessary. Maintain airway and monitor SpO2 and reduce CO2. Exclude other causes of postoperative hypoxemia. Thank you all.